Kalvi group of schools proudly presents Kalvi Talks Season 4.
Hello everyone, I am Sujitha of Grade CB at Kalvi International Public School. Today let us explore Rainforest together. The rainforest is a special place full of amazing animals. First we have monkeys. Monkeys are playful and love to swing from trees to trees. They live in groups called troops and make funny sounds to talk. Next we have colorful birds. Rainforests have beautiful birds like parrot and toucans. They have great feathers and can make loud noises. Some parrot even talk. Thank you.
ಇನಿ ಸರ್ವದೇಶ ಕಲ್ವಿ ಸಾಮಾನ್ಯர்களுக்கு Kalvi group of schools